You've probably heard by now that AI is coming for your job, but when you look around, how many people do you see actually getting fired? Not that many, right? But what if I told you you're looking in the wrong place? When people think of AI layoffs, they tend to think of some kind of magical AI that comes in and is better than everybody, and then the whole team is laid off all at once. And that's true in some companies for some roles, but it's dwarfed by a much larger and quieter issue. And that issue can be summed up in one word: efficiency. If you think back to the early days of self-checkout machines in supermarkets, and imagine yourself as a cashier in that supermarket, you'd probably be pretty frustrated with the level of human oversight that is required for these machines. Like, they can't even seem to get through a single customer by themselves. They're always, asking for the cashier's help. And you'd probably think, they're never going to be able to replace me. And you'd kind of be right. They don't replace people. But if you look at a supermarket now, instead of having 5 cashiers on 5 tills serving 5 customers, what you have instead is 5 self-checkout machines serving 5 customers with 1 cashier overseeing those machines. And this is efficiency. But at the same time, you can also see it as an 80% reduction in the workforce required to do that work, from 5 cashiers down to 1. What self-checkout machines did for cashiers, AI can do for a lot more jobs. So there's a chance you're right in thinking your company's not just going to fire you and replace you with AI. And if you're confident that your role's not going anywhere, you're happy with your wages kind of staying the same, and you're happy to retire in that role, then maybe you'll be all right. But the real danger is if you need to move for any reason, like your company goes bust, or you need to move cities, because the vacancies that you need to apply for at that stage may just not be there. It's kind of a quiet firing in a way. While you've been working your current role, the job that you're trained for may just have disappeared. And with these kinds of breakthrough technologies, jobs are never created at the same rate at which they are lost. It's always the way. So while you may not need to worry about your current role, your next role may have disappeared before you even got the chance to apply.